Hello everyone, this is Tom Cunningham. I'd like to give you a testimony for the WeTradeWaves program.
Hi, my name is Bram. I'm from Indonesia.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am living in Serbia.
Fantastic educational program. Really fine-tuned my Forex skills. I've been trading for 10 years. I've taken lots of courses. This is by far the very best I've ever taken.
I've joined WeTradeWaves trading community since November 2019 and I've become a better trader since then. I've better trading psychology and I'm really glad that we have a strong community here that has always been very supportive of each other.
I joined the WeTradeWaves community in November 2020. On the course, Alan and T teach us a lot of things, a lot of patterns which we are looking for on the market. They teach us also strategies for entering on yearly time frame to the 1 hour time frame.
And you can take the course anytime you want. There's lots of help. Highly recommend it. Great return on your investment.
And I want to thank our mentors, Mr. Alan and T. They are very patient and caring. They help us whenever, not only during the course, but whenever we have problems or questions. So thank you very much.
The decision about joining this community is the best decision which I ever made, because after the course I became a profitable trader. Thank you.
Join WTW Pro now and start making money with us.